Hey y'all, it's Bitty Boo, aka Dana. I just wanted to show you the little lantern I had made. This is in a collab with ARLYNN'S Country Craft Corner and Sweet Daisy Creations. I took an old lamp that somebody had discarded and gutted it and made me a little lantern out of it. So anyway, I'll kind of show you what's going on with it, or what it has, or whatever. And please forgive my fingers, I'm not used to this camera. I'll try not to make y'all too dizzy. If you notice, these little turkeys are the ones I had hauled from Goodwill, or no, Parents Club. I paid $1, I believe it was, for the set. Excuse me. I have some pine cones going on. The lighting in here is not very good. And then I have a little scarecrow and her pumpkin, and I have it this way, more pumpkins on the side. And as you can notice, part of the railing is missing, but that's okay because it gives me access to this. I'll show you. Anyway, I've got some berries and some acorns, and I'm losing my leaves. So anyway, there's my little plaque, and I had a little scarecrow for the very top of it, and he fell off, and I have no idea where he ran off to, so probably a grandchild. But anyway, there's my first funky bow I ever made, and it's got acorns and leaves, and I only had one little sprig left of this, so that's where it went. But I embellished my bow a little bit. I hope y'all enjoy this, and if I get my house painted and get the things I want to do done, I will have a fall home tour. But if I don't get it done, I'm too embarrassed to show everyone my house. So hopefully I can get it painted, get the trim up and everything else. I hope you each all have a blessed day. There's a bunch of people in this collaboration, so if you would, go check out their videos. They have some awesome stuff going on. Until then, I love you each and every one. Y'all take care. Bye.